So this is the account view model. In the account view model, if you say yes, these are the URL, state, name, all those things. So what I want to explain to you is, if you want to some more columns, if you want to have some more columns in the table, then what you can do and where you can do. So nothing to do. Okay, just add here your all those columns which you want, and if you say required, you can use the annotations as well as here. Okay, so let me tell that I want one column like, so I want few more columns, means custom columns to be added. Okay, so let it like wide number, let it be like address, let it be like ejective, and one more like created date. Let it be date time. Let it be bit. Sorry, it should be bull. Okay. Yeah, so I want these few more columns. So if you want few more columns, then you need to introduce all those columns into the identity view models. That is the application user class. Okay. Now we are done with this one. Just I'm pausing to complete in the. So now what we will do is that we will migrate it. So if you want to migrate, you need connection string, you know. So for this data access project, this is the app config. Go to the app config, and you need connection string. So I have already connection string. I'll take from the different project. So if you see, I have already connection string. I'm just copying it. Okay. Yeah. So this is my connection string. I'll copy it to the student CRM, and just I'll put it over here. Now I'll just comment this one. This is not required at all. Okay. So if you see, I have given the data source, I have given the user ID, and I have given the password. This is on local. Okay. And what should be the database name? So let it be a student CRM. Okay. So I'm done. Now what we need to do is that we need to do migration. So if I start SQL server, let me start the SQL server. Yeah, so I have connected to the SQL server. Now you can see that there is no database called student CRM. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just start migration, then the student database should appear here, means automatically that should be created. So that will be into the next video because I'm running time out.